This is my grandson. He's snoring, and he's only 8. Oh my gosh. And this one is my dog. Hello. Hello, Sam. How are you? How are you, Sam? You just woke up. Hi? Are you shy? You shy? Sam? What are you doing? What are you doing?